them ones? No, I don't believe so. 'Cause,
there's 3. Look, there's another 2 there.
oh yeah, there is 3.
The nest must be in that big tree. I've got the Cumberland sausage on the go for brunch, late brunch. I've got some grills here. And then this one, I'm gonna get some bacon on the go in there. Loads of sausage. There's all the poppy bulbs. Right, me and Tyson have just managed to get to the village. We've had a good old mooch around at some wild mushrooms that you've seen and just different things. My food bag there and a better roll mat, my power bank. And my kit rucksack. I'm sleeping in here again tonight. Woodland is so grown up now, eh? You gotta be careful you don't lose your direction. Like, I'm still the 2. See the tallest trees there? That's the village. At the bottom of them. Me and Tyson are mooching around. I've got Tyson on the lead just because he'll just see red and run off and chase a deer quite easily. So you've got to be careful of that. Always do a little walk of the perimeter, make sure there's nought around before I let him off the lead. Sensible owner and all that, you know. Got the old Vango gas stove out. Been a while. And get me some cappuccino on the go. Change the fire pit round because it's the wrong way for the bench. It's kind of pointing towards us. It should be pointing towards the bench and a little bit further out. So I've crushed down the walls a lot, and on every post almost I've put a large clipping of willow right into the ground and yeah, watered it. See if that does anything. If it living, I'll be grand. If it doesn't, well, it'll still be good supports to weave in and out. Sort of all over the place at the moment with kit wires. Haven't took everything in the shelter. Everything's just lying around. It's getting dark fairly fast now, I don't actually know what time it is, but it just feels like it got dark fast. Tyson's next to the cake. Started to get my kit in now. Done a lot of work to the willow walls. They're like chest high to me now. Well, not all the way around, still need to fill a bit there, but yeah, good height. Added onto them. I'm all tucked up next to the fire now. Tyson in the sleeping bag. Catch you all in the morning. Morning all. I slept like a log. That new inflatable air mattress is a lot better on this bed, eh? I'm gonna get coffee on. Some brain juice going. What you say, Mr. Tyson? I'm chuffed with them walls now. Still a bit to do around here and around here, but looks good from the outside, eh? Tyson's just finishing up his breakfast. Also blocked up the window on this chalet last night, just because come winter it's going to take a hammer, and I'm going to put a fire pit in front of it too, just so it's a nice little dry cubby hole to get out the rain and sit in front of the fire. Now, and I've opened up this bit so I can actually walk through just without having to climb over every time. It's starting to be a bit of a ball ache. Nice big bit of honeysuckle there. I do love how the clay looks. All the reeds on it, all the rushes. Getting quite cloudy over now. Can't see any stars yet. Oh, I just heard thunder, eh? I mean, it wouldn't be a Carlisle 195 camp without a bit of rain, would it? Well, I'm all tucked up, the rain is on. Quite a few cracks of thunder. Some more rain coming down, eh? Well guys, that is me all packed up. Everything's tidied up and nice and clean. Well guys, big thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all again soon. Just going to sit and chill here with the little cows.